Today, we're diving deep into a review of City Premier Marina Hotel Apartments, located in Dubai, UAE. Let's find out if this hotel lives up to its reputation and if you should stay there. For booking a stay at the most ideal price, check out the link in the description. At City Premier Marina Hotel Apartments, get your trip off to a great start with a stay at this property, which offers free Wi-Fi in all rooms. Conveniently situated in the Dubai Marina part of Dubai, this property puts you close to attractions and interesting dining options. Don't leave before paying a visit to the famous Burj Khalifa. Rated with 4 stars, this high-quality property provides guests with access to restaurant, fitness center, and indoor pool on-site. It has a pretty good location. It's pretty close to Atlantis Aquaventure Water Park, 13-minute drive. Ski Dubai, 14-minute drive. Burj Al Arab, 16-minute drive. Wild Wadi Water Park, 16-minute drive, and also close to attractions like Dubai Miracle Garden, 21-minute drive. The Dubai Fountain, 37-minute drive. Burj Khalifa, 37-minute drive. Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, 38-minute drive. Here's what other travelers have to say about this hotel. I stayed at the City Premier Marina Hotel Apartments for 4 nights in April with my family. We booked a spacious 3-bedroom apartment on the 16th floor, perfect for our family of 6. The location was ideal, overlooking the marina, with comfortable beds and excellent air conditioning. I travel frequently for work and rarely write reviews, but City Premier Marina Hotel Apartments truly impressed me. The affordable price, spacious rooms, exceptional service, stunning marina views, and well-equipped gym provided excellent value. I want to extend my thanks to the staff for making our stay memorable. I absolutely loved my stay at City Premier Marina Hotel Apartments. The room was spacious, clean, and offered great value for money. The staff was incredibly friendly and helpful. I can't wait to return. Now, let's move on to our personal ratings for this hotel, depending on the type of traveler. For families, 10 out of 10. For couples, 10 out of 10. For friend groups, 10 out of 10. For solo travel, 10 out of 10. Here are our overall ratings for this hotel. Location, 7 out of 10. Cleanliness, 8 out of 10. Service, 8 out of 10. Value for money, 9 out of 10. We would definitely recommend this hotel to you, no matter what type of traveler you are. To get the best price for this hotel, make sure you check out the link in the description. Have a nice trip.